Hello, welcome to CED Mosbah's online video series. Today we're going to show you how to use FactoryTalk TeamOne to set up push notifications to a mobile device. So hello, so FactoryTalk TeamOne app is available through the Apple Store. It's also available on Android and Google devices. So to get it, in case you haven't got it already, you go to the App Store and just search TeamOne, and it's right here. So FactoryTalk TeamOne. You can see I already have it installed, so we're going to go ahead and open that up. Now all these other buttons on here, you're able to connect to a device, do some chat amongst your team, and we'll go over that in a different video. Today we want to focus on how to get push notifications from an alarm server. So in order to do that, once we have TeamOne installed on one of our devices, the next thing we need to do is install the alarm connector on our FactoryTalk SE machine that's running our alarms. We'll go do that next. So in order to get the alarm connector, we go to the trusty compatibility site at rockwall.com. And the easiest way to find it, I found it, is to go into the search PC-DC and just type TeamOne in here. And there we go, FactoryTalk TeamOne alarm connector. That's what we're looking for. Let's click that, and we click download. And this will take us to where, if you've downloaded Rockwall software before, all of this looks very familiar to you. Sign in. And again, this is all very familiar to anyone that's done this before. So we would do manage download, download the installer, which I've already done. So we're going to skip that part. And we're come over here to our downloads. Let's see, RA, TeamOne. This is the folder that'll be created, and so it's just right here, FactoryTalk TeamOne alarm connector. We're just going to run that. There is a tech note that goes through this as well. I'll put a link to it in the comments area, or underneath the YouTube video. So once this installs, that's really all we have to do on the computer as far as installations. We would just want to make sure that then we have a server, alarm server running on this computer, which I'll walk you through next. Alright, so that finished up. So let's go over here to our FactoryTalk View Studio. So on this machine, I just have a local application running to test this for the video. And all I did was, do have to have your alarm and event server added to your application. And all I did was put an HMI tag in here that we can toggle to show you the alarm coming in and going out. And then I have my client running over here that we can monitor. You see, it's called March. That's the server name. So that's the server that we're going to connect to through the TeamOne app. So let's go do that now. Okay, so we're back over on our TeamOne app on the mobile device. You can see up here it does say Standard Edition in the top left. This is a subscription-based edition of the app that you do pay annually per user. There is a free edition that you can do a lot of things on the local area network, but you can't do the cloud services, so you can't use the alarm connector. I just wanted to point that out. But you can see right now I am on my local Wi-Fi, so I am on the local network with the alarm server. And that's what you want to be when you set up the alarm connector. So we're just going to click on Connect here, and then Add down here. We'll just call it Alarm Server. And we'll select an alarm connector. Now you do have to know the IP address of the PC running the alarm server, or the server itself. In this case, my laptop. And then the application we want to connect to is called March, and that's it. Save. The next step is we want to click back on alarm server. And down at the bottom here, this notifications, we want to turn that on. You can see the device will notify you as events happen. So what that does is it allows the alarm server to notify our phone, so to send push notifications anytime an alarm comes in. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show you now is that my phone is on LTE only. I'm off of Wi-Fi, so I'm just out in the world. So if what I wanted to show you this for is because now I can take and lock my phone, and over here on our SE application, if I activate this alarm, you'll see it come in here, and then we also see it come in here. So I got a push notification on my phone from the Rockwell cloud server. From here I could go ahead and open up TeamOne, and I also got an alarm on TeamOne. We can view that alarm down here at the bottom. See, it'll come up and tell us what happened here. And from here we could go into a chat, start a chat with a team member, telling them, hey, can you go check that alarm? They could go, if they're on site, then they could go ahead and check that alarm and get back to us about what they found. So that's how you set up the cloud alarm server on TeamOne. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out future and current videos by subscribing to CED Mosbaugh Electric Supply on YouTube or visiting www.mosbaugh.com/media. Thanks again.